Hook midnight to 0:15. 80% of businesses are already using AI tools to boost productivity. Mind blown, right? AI is changing the game, boosting productivity like never before. Let's dive in and explore. Setup 0:15 to 1 o'clock. Big news: Anthropic delays AI model over security concerns. This shows the power of AI, but also the risks. We need the right tools to harness AI's power safely. That's why I'm excited to share these tools. They're revolutionizing business. Let's get started. Notion 1 to 2:30. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Its most impressive feature: customization. Imagine you need to organize your team. Instead of 5 hours, Notion does it in 30 minutes. It's free or $10 a month. Perfect for entrepreneurs. They need to stay organized. Notion helps them do just that. Streamlining workflows, boosting productivity. It's a total game changer. Over 20 million users can't be wrong. Notion is the perfect tool for businesses of all sizes. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper is AI-powered content generation. Its most impressive feature: speed. Imagine you need to write a blog post. Instead of 2 hours, Jasper does it in 20 minutes. That's an 80% reduction in writing time. It's $29 a month. Perfect for content creators. They need to produce high-quality content. Jasper helps them do just that. With its AI-powered writing tools, it's a total time saver. Jasper is the perfect tool for businesses that need content. Chat 4 to 5:30. ChatGPT is conversational AI. Its most impressive feature: accuracy. Imagine you need to answer customer questions. Instead of 1 hour, ChatGPT does it in 10 minutes. That's a 90% reduction in response time. It's free to try. Perfect for customer support teams. They need to respond quickly. ChatGPT helps them do just that. With its conversational AI tools,